everybody. We have the title for our pickup. We're here at Odessa, Dallas to pick this thing up. Come with us and I'm gonna show y'all what we got. I'm so excited.
Hey.
All right, let's go pick this thing up. Ladies and gentlemen, here we go. I am so excited to bring y'all our trailer that we picked up for our business right here. This is a 7 by I believe 14 or 16. Oh yeah, I already opened it up for y'all. I didn't know it had this. I'm so excited. We could take the ramps that we just bought from Harbor Freight back. I see a hole right here, but that's not a big deal. But look at this, y'all. Hell yeah, it's got lights up here. I don't know if they work, but they got lights. Got the up here stopper for the wheels. We have the latches here, so that's killer, and we have the door, which is super nice to have. Oh yeah, hell yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our new purchase that we are gonna keep, and we're not selling this thing for many years. We're gonna keep it and run it as a business where we can make multiple different businesses out of this. So I just wanted to show y'all what we just picked up on top of, oh, and it's got that, hell yeah, on top of our, it's just really tight, which is fine. And this one too. But yeah, y'all, just wanted to show you guys what we picked up. We're so excited. We're gonna get this thing loaded up and head back. We're about 45 minutes away from the house, so we're gonna get that hooked up and go from there. Y'all, what the hell? So we had an issue. We were leaving literally right after I took that first video. Well, my ball was too small, and when we went over the speed bumps, it popped off leaving, and so guess what happened? Oh my gosh, y'all, I'm so mad. We literally bought this thing as a celebration, happy thing, and then boom, just smashed our nice trailer we got. So now we have to figure out what it needs. We have to figure out a few different things to make it work and make it life and make it successful. So I'm upset, but it could have been worse, in a worse spot. So we're okay though. So we're gonna fix that and make it